In the 21st century, we now use lasers to precisely disassemble a cataract within the eye. The laser creates a plume which is similar to the aurora borealis. The first stage of laser cataract surgery is to create a precise circular opening at the front of the lens, and then a Union Jack pattern is applied to the cataract. I designed this with Optimedica in Silicon Valley to be one of the most efficient configurations for cataract surgery. Here you can see the Union Jack design being created as the laser outline is directed to the lens. This Union Jack pattern is used by myself, other surgeons in the UK, and also surgeons in the United States and around the world who are also sculpting the Union Jack for their patients. Who would have thought in 1801, when the design of the flag was created, that it would have other uses in the 21st century?